The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Natural remedies and holistic practices can complement traditional healthcare, but aren't guaranteed cures or treatments. Use this information responsibly and make informed decisions about your well-being. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Join our vibrant community and dive into a world of health and vitality. Your next favorite video is just a click away. Let's explore it together. Please make sure to listen until the end. We saved the best part of this video for last, so that you won't forget any of the most important details that we shared with you. Like the 7-day protocol at the end of this video. Now let's dive in. What if I told you your anxiety isn't in your head, but right there in your gut? Here's the thing that might surprise you. Your gut produces 90 to 95% of your serotonin. That's the key hormone for feeling happy and balanced. When your gut's out of balance, your brain feels the effects strongly. Let me walk you through 5 clear gut signs driving your anxiety today, plus a straightforward 7-day plan to address it. No prescriptions required. Does this ring true? Ready to explore? Let's get started. Your gut functions like your second brain. Your digestive system does far more than process meals. It acts as your second brain, with 200 to 600 million nerve cells. That's more than in your spinal cord. These nerves connect directly to your brain via the vagus nerve, like a direct communication line. When gut inflammation occurs, stress signals travel upward, creating that restless, on-edge sensation. Here's the key point. Your gut bacteria produce serotonin, dopamine, and GABA for calm. Any imbalance leaves you short on those essential mood supporters. How inflammation spreads. Leaky gut allows food particles to enter your bloodstream. Your immune response triggers widespread inflammation that reaches your brain. Research shows people with anxiety often have elevated inflammation markers. Your body ends up in conflict, with your mind in the middle. Many doctors focus on symptoms with medications, addressing effects rather than the source. Restore your gut, and anxiety often improves naturally. This changes how you view the first sign. Sign number 1, bloating and gas. Bloating seems minor? Not at all. Imbalanced gut bacteria ferment foods improperly, releasing gas and toxins into your blood that affect your brain. That post-meal swelling points to irritated lining and reduced enzyme activity. It supports harmful bacteria, perpetuating inflammation and anxiety. Your gut directly influences your emotional state. Sign number 2, irregular bowel movements. Constipation or loose stools both indicate issues. Slow transit reabsorbs toxins that impact your brain. Rapid transit depletes serotonin precursors and calming minerals like zinc and magnesium. In either case, neurotransmitter production suffers. It explains the constant edginess. Sign number 3, carbohydrate cravings. Strong pulls toward sugar or carbs. Harmful bacteria influence your brain's reward pathways. They promote foods that sustain them, increasing inflammation and anxiety. This reflects biological signals, not lack of discipline. Quite clever on their part, isn't it? Sign number 4, brain fog and focus issues. Your gut generates over 30 types of brain-supporting chemicals. Disruptions starve your brain, clouding focus and heightening anxiety. Leaky gut inflammation crosses the blood-brain barrier as well. It creates persistent mental fog. Are you following? Sign number 5, disrupted sleep. Your gut contributes to melatonin production for rest. Inflammation reduces it, and poor sleep further harms gut health in a cycle. Imbalanced bacteria disrupt your natural rhythm. It's like ongoing internal disruption. 7-day gut restoration plan. Let me outline it step by step. Days 1 through 3 may feel challenging as bacteria shift. Day 4 brings better energy. By week 2, anxiety often eases noticeably. Day 1, introduce fermented foods. Begin with small amounts of sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir. Plain yogurt without added sugar. This displaces harmful bacteria effectively. Day 2, add prebiotic fibers. Garlic, onions, and asparagus. Introduce gradually. They nourish beneficial bacteria and reduce brain inflammation. Day 3. Adjust meal timing. Finish eating 3 hours before bed. A 12-hour window supports healing. Days 4 and 5. Targeted supplements. L-glutamine at 5 grams twice daily on an empty stomach seals the gut lining. Zinc carnosine reduces inflammation. Magnesium glycinate in the evening promotes calm. Days 6 and 7. Incorporate relaxation. Deep breathing after meals stimulates the vagus nerve. Gentle walks and spinal twists support digestion. This is not medical advice. Please consult your doctor before starting, particularly if on medications. Balance your gut and your mind responds positively. Full details and resources in the description. Which gut sign stands out most for you? Share below. Address anxiety at its source and notice the difference. Thank you for watching.